Hi, in front of me is Motorola Moto G30 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply colorful edges on this device. Firstly, open Play Store. Now type edges and download this app from this developer. Open it. Click on this theme, name it, and tap OK Creative. Then close on it. Over here you can customize your edges however you want to. For example, you can change run style, add pattern, change animation speed, border size, and even adjust your edges to the notch. When you're done but you want to leave your current wallpaper, you can tap on one of these sources like Photos. Select a photo, adjust it, and tap at the top right corner. Then choose Create. Tap on the theme that you created, choose Enable Wallpaper, and tap on Set Wallpaper. Over here you need to decide if you wanted to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of the options. Now when I go back, I can see that my edges were successfully applied. But if you want to see them when you use apps, you can always go back into the app, choose Home, scroll down and tap on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other App. Choose Yes, tap on the switcher over here next to Edges app. So now I have to click on it and tap on the switcher next to Allow Display over Other Apps. Go back and tap on the same switcher one more time. As you can see, now I can see my edges even when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!